Hey you guys, welcome back. So I'm getting ready to walk inside of Joann's. I am interested in seeing what kind of decor they put up, and you guys know this is what I do. So I hope you want to go in with me. Stay tuned and let's see what we can find. Look at these cute flower pots. Oh, these are so cute. But I saw these and that's $9.99. And then they have these that look like owls. Those are cute. The owls are $12.99. How cute are these little sheep? Oh my goodness, those are cute. $14.99, and the bigger one is $19.99. And they all have their little flower headbands on. That's adorable. They also have ducks for, wow, $14.99. That's a bit pricey. Uh-oh. Look at him with his little feathers. And then the big one is $29. Goodness. Okay, down here, these are Flower Market, Floral Bouquet, the Bloom Room. And I don't see any prices on those. But whatever it is, oh, let's see, Fresh Spring Floral, no. The floral stuff is 30% off, but those, I don't see a price on those. And they got some with the little butterfly on it. It's $19.99 for that. Those are $19.99 as well. That's pretty nice. And they have little succulents, and theirs are $3.99. Those are really cute. Real vibrant. They have different ones. So $3.99 for those. And then their laundry storage is on sale for 40% off. You have this nice one. It looks like it has the rope on it. Let's see, the regular price is $29.99 with 40% off. Bless This Mess. Self-serve, that's cute. Cute little box. Fluff and fold service. Little wall decor to put in your laundry area for $19.99. That one says wash. Then you have dry and fold. You have these down here. And this big box or bin is $24.99 for the big one. These pillows are $34.99 with 40% off. These cute little signs are $29.99, and it says home in there. This one says family. This is $39.99. That's a hook for $14.99. You got this cute little welcome sign for $14.99. This sign. This is cute to put flowers in and put on the wall. It has the two areas, and it is 40% off. The original price is $39. So this would be a good time to get stuff because everything is 40% off. Home Sweet Farmhouse. This is $19.99. I've been seeing these little boxes everywhere $14.99. That's a bit pricey, you guys. I don't know. I don't shop in Joann's for decor too often, but their prices seem a little high. Am I the only one that thinks that right now? But then I guess even with the 40% off, I guess that's good. They got some cute stuff. Oh, these are nice. Little candle holders, $24.99 for that. And the smaller one is $19. This sign right here with the wreath, it reminds me of the picture that I just saw at Big Lots. How much is theirs? It is, whoa, $69. And I can't remember how much it was at Big Lots, but it looks the same. And Home Sweet Gnome. That's cute. These bags are cute. Does that say $19.99? Yes. I'm thinking this might be on sale though, because this is Christmas. So I'm not sure. Well, okay, yeah. $7.97 for these. This is cute though. You can use this as a reusable bag for your groceries. I like that. Okay, you guys, I had to show you this. Do you see this? This box mat, this plastic mat right here, look. These are in the 99-cent store. And they have a lot of different ones at the 99-cent store. And these are $21.99 here for this plastic mat. That is just so crazy to me right now. But if you don't have a 99-cent store, look around, because that is definitely too high for that. So over here they have some cute towels. Let's see how much they are. They are normally $9.99, 40% off. That's cute. May all your weeds be wildflowers. These are $9.99 as well. Okay, what are these? Door stops. Cute little fox. And how much is he? It's hard to read their prices for some reason. I don't see a price on there. But they got a little duck. This little chicken, a rooster, a cat. This cute little, I think that's a horse. And some cows and a dog. They have a few. Oh, look at him. And they're really heavy. And a little sheep. Some more pillows. Oh, that's a cute pillow. Can't cut this. Don't rind if I do. How cute is that? These are $19.99. Oh, I like that down there. The Home Sweet Home with the little envelopes for you to put mail or whatever in. Those are $59.99. That says, oh snap. Let's see. And wow, that's $79.99 for that. For 3 little shelves. I think they swing out, yeah, but still. Okay, then they have a lot of like same decor I saw at Big Lots. This is the pitchfork, $39.99 with the little buckets on the front. That's cute. All these little birdhouses. Oh, I really like that ice cream one. That one is $29. They have a food truck for $29. And those are 30% off. This cute little sewing machine. Oh gosh, that's cute. That's $29. The old-fashioned typewriter. These are all $29 pretty much. I like this one too. $29. This one is ceramic. The other ones were like, I don't know, kind of like a plastic. But look at these with the little teacups for $39. They have smaller teacups, and then they just, I mean teapots, excuse me. And then they have the smaller ones like this. How cute. And these are $19.99 for those. They also have a lot of fairy garden stuff. This is, oh no, that's for the mesh. But here's a little fairy garden thing that's already put together. You just have to decorate it. Gnome grass, that's $49.99. This is adorable right here. And that is $59.99. Oh, look at these pictures. My grandmother used to make these kind of like embroidery type pictures. These are cute. They are $24.99 for those with 40% off. And then they have these cute little birdhouses that you can paint yourself. And they look like they are $15.99. Oh, this is cute. Little pineapple steak. And it is $49 for that. Giant wind chimes for $69. Look at how big that is. That's pretty. The smaller ones are $29.99. Oh, this is cute. I like that one. $29. Here's another steak. The little cactus. Oh, and it says it's solar, and that's $29. So the little light bulbs light up on there. This is a terrarium complete grow kit, do it yourself. This one has the cactus, and then they have fragrant flower mixes. And of course I don't see a price. Some of the St. Patrick's Day stuff. And now here is some of their Easter stuff. And then after I'm done with the Easter stuff, you guys, I'm going to get out of here because I don't know, they didn't have too much out. It's some cute stuff. Oh, I like that picture. But a lot of their stuff to me is a little pricey. So I just kind of wanted to come and see what they had. This is a cute pillow. Like, I'm not trying to bash Joann's or anything because I do like their stuff. And they do have a good sale. This is $29.99 for that. But I mean, I don't know. It's a little pricey. Cute stuff though. Oh, this is cute. Bunny kisses and Easter wishes. I like that. $9.99. Oh, this is nice. Easter egg hunt. If you're having an Easter egg hunt, you can put this on the wall and point it towards the direction. Do you guys remember my bunny rabbit wreath I made like this using Dollar Tree products? Was it last year or the year before? I don't know, but I made something like this. Oh, here's some Easter egg LED lights. Oh, those are cute. Don't see a price. Goodness. Oh, wait. $19.99 for those with 30% off. Look at the cute socks. They are 50% off. These are Valentine's Day. Look at that love bug. Cute. Welly love you. Whackers for you. This is cute. Okay, let me get away from the socks. Oh, look, a cactus hug. Oh my goodness, look at their gnomes. It's 30% off. They are $39.99. He's just laying there chilling. Then you got these for $39. Those are cute. Oh, these are cute. How much are these? $7.99. Okay, you guys, well, that was it for Joann's. They have some stuff out, but it's not like a whole bunch. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.